I'm Alex Diggins, and this is Power Relay Technology. Relays use a beam of light to transmit wireless power. An ordinary LED spotlight shines a collimated beam of energy across the room. The light is absorbed by a relay receiver to produce electrical power. Beaming energy is cool, really cool, but it's been lacking a platform that's widely available. At our company, Nimbus, we've created a power beaming developers kit so that we can build a community around this technology and help truly push it forward. With your feedback and creative ideas, optical power beaming will stop being a sci-fi concept and start being useful. Each kit comes with an emitter. This is your light source. The range for this light source is 15 feet. Plug this into an outlet like it's an extension cord. The receiver is the other end of that cord, but instead of a wire, the energy flows through a beam of light. The receiver absorbs that light to produce 6 watts of continuous power at 9 volts. Each kit comes with a boost converter that allows you to augment the voltage to match any common load. When you shine light at a solar cell, it produces power, but will quickly overheat under an intense beam. We use light guides which take light in at a thin edge, which then spreads that light out across a large surface. A solar cell is then placed down on this surface to absorb that light and produce power. We stack many of these layers to form a relay receiver. This allows us to absorb an intense beam of light by distributing that energy across a huge number of internal layers. We call this process volumetric absorption, and it is the key to unlocking industrial scale wireless power. Nimbus was founded in 2017. Since then, we've raised venture capital, completed government contracts, raised an equity crowdfunding round, and gone through a long road of R&D. We finally began showcasing our relay technology for the public at CES. We recently raised over $600,000 to bring our industrial solution to market. The result is a dev kit that we believe will excite a community of engineers and makers to dive into. Our goal is to begin shipping units this summer in 2024. Backers who support this project early will receive a discount of 50% off. Relay technology can unlock new possibilities. Power unique projects or industrial scale motors. Make coffee tables that charge phones. Power remote lighting. Use more light, get more power. Please back our mission to create a widely available platform for power relay technology. If we build the tools and apply them as a community, we can accelerate the adoption of wireless power.